The Art of Transformation, Unfolding Japan's Origami Legacy. A mesmerizing dance of paper. In a quiet room, a single sheet of paper lies flat on a smooth surface. With each deliberate crease and fold, something magical begins to emerge. What once was a simple square morphs into a delicate crane, its wings poised for flight. This is not merely a craft. It is a mesmerizing dance of transformation that has captivated hearts across the globe. Origami, the Japanese art of paper folding, is where beauty and intricacy fuse to create something extraordinary. As we step into the world of origami, we enter a realm where patience and precision rule. The origins of this remarkable art date back to the 17th century, although some trace its roots even further. It flourished during the Edo period, reflecting Japan's unique blend of aesthetics, philosophy, and craftsmanship. But what is it about origami that resonates so deeply within the human spirit? Philosophy embedded in folds. Origami transcends mere artistry. It embodies a philosophy that values simplicity, harmony, and respect for materials. Each fold is not just a technique, but a meditation, allowing artists to reflect on their surroundings and their inner selves. In Japan, careful attention is paid to the quality of paper. Techniques involve various papers. Washi, a traditional Japanese paper made from mulberry trees, is often preferred for its texture and durability. The choice of paper transforms the experience, merging the tangible with the ethereal. The connection between nature and origami is undeniable. Many designs are inspired by the natural world, flowers, animals, and landscapes. This intimate bond creates a deep appreciation for beauty, encouraging practitioners to engage more profoundly with their environment. It's fascinating to consider how each crease and bend can express not just artistic skill, but also a philosophy of existence. The science of folding. Interestingly, origami is not just an art. It also has roots in mathematics and engineering. The precise folding techniques used in origami have applications beyond craft. The principles of origami have inspired innovations in fields such as robotics and space exploration. For instance, researchers are developing compact structures that unfold in space, minimizing volume during launch. The blend of art and science here is nothing short of revolutionary. A common misconception is that origami is solely about creating intricate shapes. While many think it requires years of practice to master complex designs, the truth is that anyone can start with simple folds and gradually evolve their skills. The beauty of origami lies in its accessibility. A child can create a paper boat and feel the same sense of achievement as a master folding an elaborate dragon. This democratization of creativity is what inspires many. A global phenomenon. As origami spread beyond Japan, it became a global sensation. Today, artists from around the world are reinterpreting traditional practices, merging them with their cultures. This cross-pollination has invigorated the origami community. At international conventions, enthusiasts exchange techniques, adapting and evolving the craft further. Just as how the forms of origami can change, so too can its meanings and cultural significance. Art can often be a reflection of social issues, and origami is no exception. Some artists use paper folding as a medium of commentary. Political and environmental statements are conveyed through folded forms. For example, origami cranes have become symbols of peace and hope, especially in the post-Hiroshima era. This intersection of art and activism showcases the profound impact that a simple piece of paper can have. crafting personal connections. Many practitioners find solace in origami, using it as a form of mindfulness or a way to connect with friends and family. The act of folding can create shared experiences as people gather to learn and appreciate the art together. Workshops are often held in community centers, weaving bonds between individuals of all ages. This collective spirit adds another rich layer to the cultural tapestry of origami. In a world dominated by fast-paced technology, the tactile experience of folding paper and creating something by hand offers a welcome respite. It encourages us to slow down and appreciate the intricacies of the craft, much like life itself, where the most beautiful moments often come from simple beginnings. The future of origami. As we look ahead, the future of origami appears vibrant and promising. Innovations in technology are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with paper folding. Digital origami, where designs can be shared online, is encouraging a new generation of artists to explore this ancient craft. Online tutorials and competitions are making origami more accessible, inspiring creativity in unexpected places. Moreover, as environmental concerns come to the forefront, sustainable origami practices are gaining momentum. Artists are exploring ways to create with recycled or eco-friendly materials, merging an age-old art with contemporary ecological themes. The evolution is astonishing, and it invites us as observers to consider how each fold contributes to the bigger picture. As we ponder the intricate dance of paper through time, one cannot help but wonder, what will the next fold look like in the ever-unfolding story of origami? Have you ever tried your hand at origami? If so, what was your first creation, and what does it mean to you?